Hey guys, Edie here with Beauty and the Kinks, coming back with another vlog. So I have been doing Vlogmas days and a half. So yesterday I think I had 16.5 and 17.5, or like the last couple vlogs they were a half, because for whatever reason I just couldn't get enough footage of the full day, but I managed to get like half and half. Anyways, point is, I'm starting off where I ended the last vlog. So yesterday's vlog ended literally in the kitchen with me saying I just got home, and today's vlog starts literally with me saying I just got home. But I just got home from running my errands. I went to Nespresso. That was my first time in the mall in like ages, y'all. Ages, and it felt weird because I'm like, I want to go shopping. I kind of sort of missed it, but it was cold AF and it's an outside mall, so I was like, not that much. But just seeing the stores that I used to like frequent, and that's almost 10 years ago, because really online shopping for me kicked in the past 6 to 7 years. But yeah, so I went to a mall because that's where the Nespresso location was. Got my coffee pods. I went to Home Goods. I didn't pick up I didn't pick up what I went there for, but I did pick up some other stuff. So I got a new cheese board, some new champagne flutes, and I know the hubby's gonna be like, girl, you keep telling me I can't store my whiskey and lowball glasses, but I keep getting glassware. I don't know, it's a thing. Anyway, so I got some champagne flutes, then I got 2 pillows, because right now we've been having some neck aches and we think it's because our pillows are going flat. I got 2 new pillows, but those seem to be too firm, so hopefully the pair that I have today helps us out, because both of us have neck pain. After that I went to Trader Joe's, then I went to Target, and now I'm back home. I'm about to unpack, and then I gotta start dinner, which is gonna be this garlic soup that the hubby sent me a recipe for. So let's tidy up, unpack, and get to cooking.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know
so I am going to attempt to start my maintenance. Hold on there. Yeah, I'm about to start my maintenance because I just need to look cute. And what's motivating me is the fact that I actually put my face on these last couple of days. So yesterday on Friday, I had a good, you know, a little light beat. Today I had a little light beat. And I'm like, you know what would make me feel even more motivated to get cute is if I already look cute and I just want to top it all off. So let me see if I could do my lash extensions. I'm gonna try to do that with you guys on camera, even though I know it looks like I've been crying. It's because I tried my best to clean the mascara off of my lashes, and y'all know how hard it is to get mascara off. So I just did that, and then like I said, I'm gonna try to do my lashes with you guys. I don't know how. I'm probably, let me see how we gonna do this. Maybe I'll have y'all zoomed in some, and then turn, because the mirror's here, so I'll just turn as I'm doing it to kind of show you. But I'm using, I think they're Ardell. Yeah, I am using, look it in. I am using the Ardell DIY eyelash extensions. I've done these before, but I think when I did them, I don't think I did them under the lash. I did them on top. So I just realized I'm talking to y'all and I'm super zoomed in. Y'all all up in my grill. But yeah, I did them on top and not on the bottom. So hopefully it looks natural and it lasts longer the way I'm about to do it. But give me about it's gonna be like a millisecond for y'all, but I'm gonna take about 5 minutes just so that my eyes reset, because I also have in my contacts, and I think from doing a thorough cleaning of my brows, not my brows, a thorough cleaning of my lashes, my eyes are slightly irritated. So, and I can't do lashes without my contacts. So let me calm my eyes down and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I put my glasses on, which means I took my contacts out, which means my eyes were super irritated. So I'm probably not gonna do my lash extensions tonight. Yeah, like if you can tell, they're still red. Like I don't know what I did, or maybe it was because of the makeup remover and me having my contacts in. I don't know, but my eyes are just too irritated to mess around with lashes right now. So might do it in the morning, might not. We'll see how I feel. But right now I'm just gonna take it easy. I have a drink poured up. So right now it's a pomegranate ginger. It's probably like a pomegranate mule, if I'm being honest. The only thing missing it really is the lime. But yeah, I was watching YouTube videos. I think my video is pretty much exported, so it's going up around 9 o'clock again tonight. So let me go ahead and finish that up, and then I will see how I feel and decide whether or not I'm just going to jump in the shower and call it a night, or if we're going to try to do glam. But I might just make a day of it tomorrow and do like a weekend reset where I change out my linen, clean my room, tidy up my house, and then do some self-care, do skincare, do my lashes, tint my brows. I don't know. That's very ambitious of me, but we'll see.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way.